Hello everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on really quickly and show you this my everyday table setup. Just wanted to share this with you guys really quick. So I decided to use my tulips. I love my tulips, especially in this vase. So I decided to go with that. And you guys know my new chargers, my beaded chargers, y'all. I'm loving them. But I wanted to share with you guys my new mugs. These are the Moscow Mules. So these are so pretty. I got these from Walmart. They were $6.98 each, and I got 4 of them. Really pretty. So I decided to go with those, and let me show you the color. The color is like it's not black, it's like a really dark brown. But I think it works really well with this. But this is it. Just really simple, and I'm loving it. I thought about adding some dinner napkins, and I said, no, I don't want to. I'm just going to keep it like this. And also, you guys, I changed out my curtains. I am washing them now, but I did change out my curtains. I went with all white. So these are new, so that's why they still have the wrinkles in them, because I have to get out my steamer and I'm going to steam them. So I did do that. Yeah, just went with bright white. I just have to steam them because I just put them up today. So yeah, just want to come on here and share that with you guys. And I am about to get started on this living room, my living room area. Whew. Gotta get started on that. And also, I might as well show y'all what I did. I did a DIY, and this is it. You guys saw the video where I ordered the broken glass from Amazon. Well, this is what I did with it. That's what I did with it. So I just put the Mod Podge, just spread the Mod Podge around the rim and just sprinkled the broken glass on top of it. And I just did that this morning. I did it this morning. So I'm just going to let those dry really good. I did 4 of them. And the first one I did, I'll show y'all that. I'm not going to use it. I'll probably throw it in the trash because I kind of messed up on it, because I used the glitter and then I tried to put the broken glass on top of it, and it just didn't turn out the way I thought it would turn out. But this is it. And so the glitter that I used, because it had finally came, oh, and I did this. I did that. I was just trying it out just to see, just trying it out. Excuse my nails, y'all. But, yeah. So, the German, let me show you guys. I did this. Now, these came from Dollar Tree. And so I was like, let me try and see how this glitter is gonna look. So did that. And excuse my kitchen, y'all, just got done cooking. Here are my candles. These came from the Dollar Tree. So I did these 2, and I didn't show y'all these. I got these last month sometime from Amazon. I forgot all about them. Some crystal candle holders, really cute. I don't remember how much they were, but yeah. And so these are the candles, and here is the other thing. Okay, now here go the plate, y'all. Now this glitter is not, I don't know, it just didn't, I don't know, it's like I didn't like it. didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so I'll probably end up yeah, trashing it. So yeah, but that is it, y'all. So I gotta get started on my living room area, but yes, but I like these. Let me hold it up. There, I love these. Y'all could see. I just wanted them to be clear and just have a little, you know, mirror, just a little bit. That's it. That's all. But yeah, I have to get some of that spray so I can seal it. Okay, these are on here pretty good. I don't know. But yeah, so I have to get me some of that spray so I can seal it, and yeah, and let that sit for, I guess, maybe about a week. But yeah, y'all, so I just wanted to come on here and share that with you guys. And that is it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.